I'm really excited about this one. This might be one of my most favorite unboxings I'm about to do. You guys, we have another unboxing. Been wanting something like this for a very, very long time. I'm so excited. So I can't wait to unbox this with you. And it's part 1 of 4 because I got 4, but I don't know which one's in this one and which one's in the next. They came in separate packages. There might be 1 or 2 in here. I can't tell. It's from Paris. It's from France. So we got a little French unboxing, okay? So stay tuned. I'm really excited. I've talked about these kind of things before. I'm very excited to try this one, okay? And can't wait to start using it, so let's get into it. If you like it, I have a discount code. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, and today we have a quick unboxing of something I'm very excited about and I wanted to show you guys because I've been wanting something like this for a long time. I've unboxed other things like this before, but this one is super special. So let's get into it. We're gonna unbox it and then talk about it because we gotta keep the suspense. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash that like button. Please consider subscribing. And keep on watching. Okay, I got this from France. It's super, super luxurious. It's very well packaged. It came with this cute little note. It's from MaiTai, okay? I'll just give you that. It's from MaiTai. I'm really excited. It came with a little thing and this beautiful MaiTai paper, and then it comes in its own little MaiTai dust bag with all the little goodies. And then it says MaiTai collection, and then it says MaiTai Kelly 28. So maybe you know, maybe you don't. It's obviously not a Kelly 28. Okay, but let's unbox. Unbag. It is Jean-Paul Gaultier designed Kelly 28 bag insert from MaiTai with this beautiful pattern all across, and then it's got the gold interior to go for my gold Kelly 28. 4 pockets, and it's like this silky soft material. And like, I mean, I've talked about this before. I love bag inserts. I think it's so important to have a bag insert in your bag, especially an Hermès bag when you want to protect the inside, because you're paying so much for a bag, you want to protect the inside, and that's the only part of the bag that Hermès will not. They will not repair, they will not touch, they will not do anything to any damage on the inside or fix anything on the inside. Anywhere on the outside, totally fine. Stains, hardware, corners, handles, brick cracking, anything like that, they will fix. But the inside, they will not touch. And they don't only just do Hermès, they do Chanel and Dior and other brands too, but obviously I want to get Hermès. And this is like, you know, remember I had the Jenny Crafts and the ztujo ones, which I still have, and the zoomoni ones. I still have all those, but those are like 30, 50 bucks, right? And they're kind of on the lower end tier of bag organizers. They're felt, they're, you know, this is silk, it's a lot softer. This is a mid-range one. There are like really expensive ones, like 1,000 and up. Like, I can't remember the brands, but there's like, you know, there's a range of them. So I wanted to get something that's protective, but not too expensive. So you want to spend a little money to save the inside of your bag. It'll last you better over time. This seemed like a good one. I've loved this design. I've wanted these for a very long time. They're made in France. I think they're made to order, and the material is really nice. I really like them. And the customer service, the company's actually really good. Oh, and actually, oh yeah. And I have a discount code too if you want to use it because I love them so much. And because I love them, I wanted you guys to love them too. So I got a discount code for you guys. So if you want to get them, you can get 10% off. You can get 10% off. You use my name, to get it, I'll put it in the bottom below. But let's go put it in my bag right now. I really highly recommend these, okay? Get Kelly out. Kelly's been sleeping for a while. Oh, hello you. So right now I have nothing in it except for some like things to stuff it. Okay, so let's get those all out and let's put it in. Oh, fits in perfectly. They're made tailored to the shape. Look at that. And they're also like, you know, the accordion style like that so that they can close with the bag as opposed to a lot of other bag organizers that are square. And so the square ones will kind of, eventually over time, they will leave a mark on the sides, but because this is accordion style, you can close with it, it won't. And the material's so soft and thin that it won't put too much pressure on the sides of the bag, so you won't get those marking lines that other bag inserts get. And it's so pretty inside. I mean, the blue you can't really see, which is fine because the gold actually works great, but the pockets are blue on the inside too. And it's got organization now. It's got 4 pockets in there. I love it. I love it. What do you guys think? Do you like it? If you like it, I have a discount code. I mentioned before, I have a discount code, 10% off, go get one. They run from like 80 bucks to like 150 bucks, which is really not that bad for a bag insert. Maybe to 200, 85 to 200, depending on the designer, the style, all those kind of things, material, all those kind of things. Go check them out. Let me know if you like them. Let me know what you think. Or if you already have these or use them, or if you would use a different one, let me know in the comments below. But please check them out. If you do, let me know in the comments below if you do as well, okay? All right, that's all I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hated it, share with your enemies and exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious, so I appreciate you spending your time here with me. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.